Good day. Introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Rowena Ramiro, 29 years old. I am single. I am an Agrikayan. I am the second in the family. I have one brother and 3 sisters.
What is your educational attainment?
I took up Bachelor of Technical Teacher Education major in Computer Technology.
For how long you studied in college?
2 years.
So you're undergraduate.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And are you an ex-abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
From what country?
From United Arab Emirates.
For how long you work in UAE?
6 years, ma'am.
For how many or for one employer only?
Yes, ma'am.
How many members of the family did you serve here?
5 members, ma'am.
Who are they?
1 couple and 3 kids.
How old the kids?
7, 9, and 11.
So this is the ages when you leave them.
No.
This is the ages when you leave or you arrive? The 7, 9, and...
When I leave.
Okay. And how many helpers in the house?
2, ma'am.
The other helper is a Filipina?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And what did you do as a helper?
I do cleaning, washing the dishes and clothes, ironing, and taking care of the baby.
Do they have baby before
1.5
years old when you arrive?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And why why you did not renew your contract again with them? Or why you did not continue working with your employer in UAE?
Because I want to find a job that has a higher salary.
Okay. And you want to work in Hong Kong now?
Yes, ma'am.
For what reason?
Because Hong Kong has a higher salary and good employer.
Okay. And you're single?
Yes, ma'am.
You don't have any child?
No, ma'am.
And you have boyfriend? You have
Yes.
boyfriend?
Yes,
For how long you been together?
2 years.
2 years. No plan in getting married for now?
Not yet.
Okay. And how long you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as the employer wants me to stay in the home.
If you feel homesick, what will you do?
I will ask my friend or my family for advices, and I will do social media to
Better to focus on your work, not do on social media, ha? Because when you're in Hong Kong, during working hours, you are not allowed to use your mobile phone. So better to concentrate to your work so that you cannot feel the homesickness. Okay. And you have day off before in Middle East?
no.
Your future employer in Hong Kong will only offer you once a month off or twice a month off, and the 2 other off will pay you. Is that okay for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready to go Hong Kong anytime now?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to learn how to cook Chinese food?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to share job with other helper?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, your future employer is watching you. What can you assure and promise to them?
I will do my duties and all my responsibilities inside the house. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. HL 2148.